Did you know there's an animal that can drink 100 liters of water in one go and still look like it's judging you? In the scorching land of deserts, camels are like walking water tanks. But here's the funny part. Their humps don't store water. They store fat. That's right. Those bumpy water towers are actually their built-in energy packs. And when they lose that fat, their humps get floppy and fall to one side, like a melted ice cream cone. So next time you see a camel, just remember, it's not thirsty, it's just carrying its lunch in its back.